A forgotten war machine is about to be reborn.
A forgotten war machine waits in silence.
Time has buried every detail. Even the doors remember history. Layers of time begin to fade. Buried strength emerges slowly.
Stripping down to essentials.
The interior is emptied.
Time hides every detail.
Control is taken apart.
Stripping down to essentials.
Restoration begins aggressively.
Smoothing the past.
The metal awakens beneath decay.
Even the foundation is restored.
Clarity returns slowly.
Reflection of revival appears.
The first transformation is visible. The cleansing begins. Years of neglect dissolve away.
Every surface is reclaimed.
Hidden damage is revealed.
The past is washed away.
Preparation for rebirth begins.
Every connection matters.
The heart is removed.
Restoration begins aggressively.
Precision restoration.
Accuracy is everything. Rebuilding the core.
The heart returns.
Old systems removed. Stopping power prepared.
Lifelines are restored. Energy is restored. Light returns. Hidden dirt is removed. Protection begins.
The rebuild phase begins.
The foundation is exposed and ready. Every trace of corrosion is removed. Stability returns. Strength is rebuilt. Stability returns. Stopping power is refined. Safety is secured. Hydraulic system restored.
Hidden dirt is erased.
Time damage is neutralized. Protection is sealed.
Energy storage is renewed.
Power source returns.
Voice of the engine is restored.
Nervous system is rebuilt.
Power begins to flow. Energy is stored. Control systems are restored.
Accuracy is returning.
Control is restored.
Movement is reconnected.
Balance is achieved. Balance is achieved.
Power distribution refined.
Strength is locked in.
Rotation is perfected.
Hydraulics are stabilized.
Control is confirmed.
Structure holds perfectly. Hidden surfaces are flawless. Protection is complete. Final assembly begins. Perfect balance achieved.
Every system is aligned.
Now, rebirth begins.
Perfection is prepared.
The new identity begins.
A clean foundation is formed.
Every flaw is corrected.
Surface becomes flawless. Nothing remains but purity. The original spirit returns. Color is reborn. Depth and life return. Protection is locked.
Transformation stabilizes.
The body is reborn. The body returns to its foundation.
Every connection is secured.
Structure becomes complete.
The front is sealed.
Ground contact is restored. Comfort returns inside. Control comes alive again.
Direction is restored.
One moment before life returns.
Ifs lives again.
Breath of a restored soul.
Movement returns.
A new journey begins. Freedom is reclaimed. History moves forward.
The past fades behind. A legend reborn.
Perfectly restored.
Every detail shines. Peace inside the machine.
Perfect balance achieved.
A journey reborn in light.
Time cannot erase legend.
The past dissolves into light.
The restoration is complete.
Every part tells a reborn story. From rust to perfection. A legend is never lost, only restored.